Chapter 4, linear equations in two variables. General form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So here variables are x and y. Constants is c and constant is c. A and b and c are real numbers and a comma b not equals to 0. ये 0 नहीं होना चाहिए. Coefficient of x and coefficient of y. Otherwise it is not a linear equation in two variable. Okay. So what is the coefficient of x? What is a? A is called coefficient of x. B here. B is called coefficient of y. So this is a linear equation in two variables. If y is equal to 0, yeah, x is equal to 0, it passes through the origin. Now, if you draw a linear equation in a graph, so it becomes a straight line. Graph of linear equation. Graph of linear equation is straight line. Here, this is the intersecting point origin. At x-axis, what is u0? Y is equal to 0. At y-axis, x is equal to 0. At x-axis, the equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. Equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. If I say line parallel to x-axis, line parallel to x-axis, this is a Cartesian plane. Line parallel to x-axis is this. So it is parallel to x-axis. So let this distance we take d. So this point is 0 comma b, and y is equal to, here y is equal to b, and line parallel to y-axis, is, this is Cartesian plane. This is parallel to y-axis. It is distance, take a. So it is x is equal to a. How many solutions of linear equation in two variables? Solutions of linear equation in two variables is infinite solution. Exercise 4.1. Question first. The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of pen. Cost of notebook is twice the cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen. Now, what is the cost of notebook? Let the cost of notebook be rupees x and cost of pen be rupees y. Cost of pen be rupees y. Now, according to question, x and y, it is already twice, so we multiply to the pen side. So this is the linear equation in two variable. This is the linear equation. We have to frame a linear equation in two variables. Now question 2. Express the following linear equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and indicate the values. Express in form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and find values of a comma b comma c. First part, see here, it is 2x plus 3y is equal to 9.35 bar. 9.35 bar. Now first to convert into this form, ax plus by plus c, left hand side is equal to 0, so here 9.35 bar, turn this side, so it is the standard form of linear equation in two variables. Now you can say that what is a, here what is a, coefficient of x 2, what is b, coefficient of y 3, and c is constant term 9.35 bar. Now I take another question of this type. Second part, x minus y upon 5 minus 10 is equal to 0. X minus y upon 5 minus 10 is equal to 0. So convert into this form, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. It is already in this form. You can write in this way also, x plus minus 1 upon 5y plus, now it is easy for to you. What is the coefficient of a? 1. What is b? Minus 1 upon 5. And what is c? Minus 10. Another part I will take, x is equal to 3y, that is fourth part. X is equal to 3y. X is always positive, so turn y this side, so x minus 3y is equal to 0. What is the coefficient of a? Coefficient of x is a. A is what? 1. B is what? Minus 3. You see here, what is the coefficient of c? Constant term नहीं है, तब नहीं है तो क्या करेंगे? 0. Now I take other part, sixth part, 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Here you can see that what is the coefficient of x is 3, it is called a. What is the coefficient of b? b का coefficient क्या होता है? y का coefficient क्या होता है? b. So इधर y है ही नहीं तो b क्या हो गया? Y is not there, so b is 0. Now what is the constant term c2? I will take now last part, that is 8. 5 is equal to 2x. 5 is equal to 2x. 2x is positive. X is always positive. Turn 5 that side. So 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. Here you see that what is the coefficient of x is 2. So a is 2. What is the coefficient of y? Y is not there, and so y is not there. The b is 0, and constant term is minus c. Solution of linear equations. Solution of linear equation, exercise 4.2. Question first. Write which one of the following is true. Y is equal to 3x plus 5. How many solutions are there? How many solutions? infinite solutions. How many solutions? Infinite. If you put the value of x आप 0 ले लीजिए, y कितना आ गया 5, x1 ले लीजिए, y कितना आ गया 8, x2 ले लीजिए, y कितना आ गया 11, x3 ले लीजिए, x3 9 plus 5 14. In this way it is going on. So you have infinite solution. You take the value of x, you will get the value of y. You take the value of x, you get y. Question 2. Write 4 solutions of each of the following. Write 4 solutions of each of the following. Write 4 solutions of each of the following. First part I will do 2x plus y is equal to 7. Now see here, make a table. It is better you make a table and solve in rough part. So what is y? If you transport it here x that side, so what is the value of y? 7 minus 2x. Now if you put the value of x is equal to 0, you will get y is equal to 7. If you put x is equal to 1, you will get 7 minus 2, 5. If you put x is equal to 2, you will get x को क्या ले लेंगे आप 2, you will get 4, 7 minus 4, 3. And you also check it. 2 और 3 वापस इसमें रख दीजिए. 2 y को 3 रखिए suppose. How will you check? Check. If y is equal to 3, y की जगह आप 3 रखिए, x की जगह 2 रखिए, 7 minus 2 into 2. So 3 is equal to 7 minus 4, 3 is equal to 3. It means left hand side is equal to right hand side. It means points are correct. One more point I will take. If you take, suppose I take minus 1. So if you put y is equal to 7 minus 2 into minus 1, so it will become 7 plus 2, y is equal to 9. If you take minus 1, you will get 9. So this is the 4 solution, 1, 2, 3 and so on. It is not compulsory, you can take any value of x and find the value of y, but you can check it, the left hand side is equal to right hand side. One more question I will take. Now I will take second part, that is pi x plus y is equal to 9. Pi x plus y is equal to 9. Write 4 solutions. So make a table. First you transpose x that side. So it is easy to calculate. Y is equal to 9 minus pi x. Don't write pi 22/7 and 3.14. जैसा ये है वैसे ही रखेंगे. So make a table. X and y. If I take x is equal to 1, then pi is, if you take x 9 minus pi into 1, it becomes 9 minus pi. If you take x is equal to 2, pi into 2, so y equals to 9 minus 2 pi. If you 3, 9 minus 3 pi. If you 4, 9 minus 4 pi. 9 minus 4 pi. Now, I will take question third. Question that check which of the following is a solution of the equation. Check which one is the solution of equation. Equation is given to you x minus 2y is equal to 4. Points are given to you 0, 2, second 2, 0, third 4, 0, fourth root 2, 4 root 2, and fifth 1, 1. Now see here. So how will you check? This is the point x. ये किसके लिए है? X के लिए. So compare it with x, y. First point is x. So here x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 2. Put in equation. So you can see here, instead of x you can write 0, instead of y you can write 2. So minus 2 not equals to 4. So it is not a solution of this equation. This is cross. Now you can check this. So here in this x is equal to 2, y is equal to 0. Put it here. Instead of x you can write 0 minus 2 into 2. So it is minus 2, y is 0, x is 2, here x is 2, and y is 0 and 4. So 2 is not equals to 4. This is not belongs to this. Okay. Now take this one. In this x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 0. Now check it. Instead of x you can write 4 and y की जगह आप 2 into 0 is equal to 4, 4 is equal to 4. This is okay. So this is the solution. एक solution मिल गया इसका. Solution is 4, 0. Now check this. Root 2, 4 root 2. Instead of x, here x is equal to root 2, y is equal to 4 root 2. Now instead of x you can write root 2. Instead of y you can write 4 root 2 minus 2 into 4 root 2 is equal to 4. Now you can check. Root 2 minus 8 root 2 is equal to 4. It is also not equal. Now similarly 1, 1, x1, y1. 1 minus 2 is equal to 4. So it becomes minus 1 not equals to 4. This is wrong. Only 4, 0 is the solution. Question 4. Find the value of k. K if x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 is a solution of equation 2x plus 3y is equal to k. 2x plus 3y is equal to k. See here, this is the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to k. So its solution is given to you. Solution is 2, 1. Means x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. Instead of x you can write 2. Instead of y you can write 1. So put it here. 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1 is equal to k. 4 plus 3 is equal to k. 7 is equal to k. This is the